Now, let's proceed to the demonstration. As you can see, I have already downloaded the marisim.jar file. So, let's open it. And as you can see, as long as meron kayong SDK sa mga device ninyo, automatically mag-pop up yung Marie Simulator. So, this is the Marie Simulator that I have illustrated earlier. Now, let's begin with using the instructions or demonstrating how to use the instructions load, store, at saka add. Okay. Now, to create a program, you have to click on the File menu first and then click the Edit button. So, you will be redirected to the Assembler Code Editor. Dito nyo isusulat yung line of codes natin. So, let me write first a comment here para mas ma-highlight kung what kind of program are we writing. So, remember ha, isang backslash lang for the comment. So, let's say adding two values. So, I'm going to click enter para mas-start na tayo on writing our line of codes. So, let's start with writing the origin. So, org 100, then followed by the load instruction, variable x, and then the add instruction y, and then store. We're going to store the result or the sum of x plus y to variable z. Then we're going to stop the program, which is the halt instruction. And then let's proceed to the initialization. So the syntax is the variable, which is x, comma, the data type, decimal, and then the value, 10. So let's initialize also for y variable. This is also decimal, and then 5. Also the z variable, decimal pa rin yung data type, and then yung value is 0, since dyan natin store yung sum of x and y. Okay, so we're done writing our code. So let me put some indentation para mas organize siya. Okay, so I'm also going to put an indentation to the declared variables. So as you can see, much better talaga na may indentation kasi nag-group natin yung instruction lang and then the declaration at saka yung initialization natin. Okay. Now, before we run our program, kailangan muna natin siyang i-assemble. So, save ko muna. Okay. Save muna natin before we assemble. So, let's write the file name, adding two values. So, the file type is always .mas talaga yan siya. Okay, so, after saving, okay, as you can see, dito sa folder natin, andyan na yung file na adding two values. After that, dito pa rin tayo sa editor, we're going to click the assemble menu and then assemble current file. And after the assembly is successful, as you can see dito sa folder natin, nadagdagan na yung mga file. So, meron ng .lst, meron .map, at saka .mex. And itong file type na .mex, yan ang i-run natin. Kasi yan yung file type that is readable sa machine natin. After writing our program, so exit na natin tong code editor. And then, go back to the Marie Simulator and click the file menu to load our program in the simulator. Once you click the load button, you will be redirected to this dialog, which consists of the, or shown dito yung folder kung saan nakasave yung mga generated na files. So, as you can see, makikita natin dito is si .mex lang. So, click that file and then click open. So, automatically, maload na yung program na sinulat natin kanina sa Marie Simulator. So as you can see, each of those line of codes are organized into the following columns. So we have the label, opcode, operand, at saka hex. So ito siya, nagrara na yan siya. However, ito kasing Mari Simulator ko, nakaset siya into a stepping mode na setting. So, when we say stepping mode, isa-isa ho niya each line of the code. So, if di niyo gusto nga isa-isa ho, you can just click the run button, or di kaya iset na lang ninyo off. Okay? Okay, let me analyze each of the line of code, no, as we run it through the Mari Simulator. Okay, currently, yung program natin is nasa org 100 siya. Okay, org 100. Sadyang hindi lang nakikita dito yung org 100. Okay, because it's just setting the origin of our program.